Instagram Messenger update option not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. Yes, in less than 50 seconds I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone like this, and then scroll all the way until you find the apps manager. Go to the apps here in the top and scroll until you find Instagram like this. When you find it, click on it and then click here on this option and then go down, click on notifications management. Scroll all the way until you find this option of comments. Make sure that this option is enabled, and also make sure also that the Instagram direct requests and Instagram directs are enabled. Go back, click on the data usage and make sure that those options are enabled, all of them. Now click on the home page, go to Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure to click on update if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.